All right, so we've got probably an altitude to hypotenuse question here. All right, so we know that going in, so we start looking at it, and it does say that. So we've got BD is 4, that's the altitude. We've got AD is x minus 6, and we've got CD is x. All right, and it wants us to play around with this and figure out some stuff. So it is piece over piece 1 over altitude equals altitude over piece 2 is my little formula. So I have 4 for the, sorry, I don't have 4 for the piece. I have x minus 6 for the piece 1. I have 4 for the altitude. I have 4 for the altitude. I have x for the other piece. So I'm going to cross multiply this, and I'm going to get 16 equals, and I'm going to write this like this. All right, because we have probably not done any, if much, if any, factoring throughout the whole year. All right, so what I have going on here is these two things, the yellow and the blue. Let's not make them yellow and blue. Let's make them the same colors as what I have them in the picture. So blue is x minus 6, and then purple is x. So those two things have to multiply together and give me 16. All right. I am looking for the purple, which is x. All right, so I'm looking for an x value. So if I take these x's, all right, these are basically all x values. If I make this 8, this would be 8 minus 6, which is 2. That's 16. So that's the winner, and that's why. Okay, if I did 11, it'd be 11 times 11 minus 6, which would be 55. That's not right. And then both of these are negative numbers when I do it. All right, so it's going to be 5 times 5 minus 6, which is negative 5. And then it's going to be 5 times, not 5, it's going to be 2. Sorry, it's going to be 2 times 2 minus 6, which is negative 8. All right, which doesn't work either. Okay, so that's what we have going on there. And that's why it has to be 8. You could go through and distribute this and then get it equal to 0 and factor it. All right, but because it is multiple choice, I do not have to do that. All right, and I can save that time.